Okay, here for about 30 seconds because I need to finish, but also I want it's like finished just shiny, but it's not too like completely clear, so then that way I can able to doing the easy 40 gel. So this 40 gel I am going to using a light blush. I'm thinking a light blush, or maybe I should do the yellow sun. No, yeah, yellow sun. So with this 40 gel, it's really easy to a lot of you question for that. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna go ahead and using is dual 3D dual end brush, and one end you're using it for your is 3D liquid and powder, and the other end you are going to use it for your 40 and 5D gels. So I am going to pick the 6 beads, and 2 beads are gonna be a big bead, and then 4 beads will be a little bit smaller. Really easy flowers. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get, this is a light blush. So 2 beads is bigger, and then 4 beads will be is smaller. You can get it like out from the jars like me and put in a place, or you can open the jars every time you want to get your. So a lot of you ask this, so that's why I'm not doing it, to show you how I get the. So I'm getting from here. So I'm gonna get it from here, from the bottle first. Jar first. And I'm gonna do it like a 4 smaller beads. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so you getting the 2 big beads and then 4 smaller beads. Okay, so make sure you close the cap back on. I'm gonna do 2 like across from each other, okay? And I do not need any alcohols or acetone or water at all, so I'm gonna do it. Press down and release. Press it down and release. And I can work on the other one. So if you're feeling yours getting a little bit tacky right here, if you can see that, just simply wipe it off. With yours with alcohol. And then press release, press release. Hello, Dom. Press release. And is depend on if you want your bigger flowers or smaller flowers. Really, it's up to you. Press, release. And you can go back and forth. If you feel like you are not happy with this, don't worry. Remove it, take it off. And then you can able to script it again. All right. You happy with this? Wanna flash here for maybe about 30 seconds. With 40 gel is give you ability of create so many different 3D nail art. All right, happy here. 10 seconds, 30 seconds is a max. And then we are adding 4 smaller beads right here, and we are going to add it on. So let me draw it that what I did. You have a stick, you have a little. So what the flowers I'm going to create this. Like this. Here the shape of the nail. Can't draw it really perfect, but I'm gonna do the flowers. 2 petals, and then we're gonna have 4 petals on this side. It's really simple flowers. It's really easy to achieve. All right, so moving on, the 2 more. A lot of questions for this, so I'm so excited. One. And 2. Okay, let's do 2 first. And you see that I didn't even need any of solution at all. So press, release, press, release. And same thing with the opposite side. Press and release. Press it down. And then you are not happy with this, you definitely can take it off and do it again, you know. So the next bead, so the 4 beads inside I usually getting about the same size. Get this one. All right, same thing. Can you see it good? Press down and release. And then you can do it just using the tip, and you can sculpting the end however you want. You want to curve, you want it straight. You see that and how flexible it is. And it's the best thing about 40 gels is not going to set or cure until you are going to cure under the LED light. So I'm going to do the last petals here. Press and release. Press and release. Okay. If any question, let me know. You want to do it really gently. You don't want to do it too aggressive, that to the point that it's too much pressing on. All right, happy with this? We're going to here. Looks really cute though. All right, so let's here for a 30-second. We are going to put some crystal placements on. I'm going to